Hi, Philip.
Hi.
So see you again. So this is what time you come to this meeting?
It's our fifth time when I came to China.
Fifth time?
Fifth time, yes. We were in Hong Kong, Shanghai, Xiamen, Beijing. By the way, after last time in Beijing, this video when Philip was dancing with XYZ became very popular.
Yes.
Yes, we are a website builder company, Site.pro. Our main customers are hosting providers. China market is very huge and has very big potential for us. We have very good localization here, so the number of clients is growing with every year.
So our company like produce website builder tool for customers, and we search for hosting companies like big giants in China to offer our product to end customers. So many Chinese people can make website using our tool. It's very easy, very fast. So Chinese people like it, and more and more people start using our tool.
Okay. So why you choose to do this part, to this industry?
Okay. About 5 years ago, maybe 7 years ago, we have one customer. He asked us to build this tool. We built this tool, and then we understood that we can offer this tool to other providers, and other providers love the tool, and we start advertising it and moving to all over the world.
Okay. So as we know, you will have a speak in the meeting.
Yes.
So what's your opinion in the speak?
So I will talk about website import. So we have like new technology. We now have patent for that technology. This technology allows to move any website from anywhere to you. So customer, it will be like new opportunities for whole market. So like there should be a lot of changes in the market, because people buy domain name in one place and they store servers in another place. And now people can easily move data from outside to the data center.
Okay. So can you compare the China market and others? Because as we know, you go to a lot of countries.
China is a very big market and it has very big potential, as I already told. And with every year we're getting more and more clients here, and this conference is a very big opportunity for us to meet new clients, and they share with other people about our new technologies, and it allows us to get more and more customers here.
So China market is very different if we compare to all the world. So China is absolutely different. It's like this is like Earth, and this is like an ocean. And everybody thinks that there are no domains in ocean. So China is like an ocean, and the whole world exists like when you have, for example, 50 countries around. You translate to one more languages and you start selling in that country. You translate to one more language and you start selling in that country. In China, you translate to that language, nothing happens. So you understood that your website was translated to 2 Chinese languages. There are some Chinese languages traditional, simplified, and they said you have half translation is simplified, half is traditional, and your website is terrible. So you need to fix it. So later you understand that all your templates doesn't work in China. So Google doesn't work here. So all Google products like Google Translate, Google Maps, everything doesn't work here. So later you understand that payment system like PayPal, like any aggregator like Stripe, all of them, they are not popular in China, and China people do not use like European and US payment system. And also you understand that YouTube also doesn't work here, so you need to run all things differently. And also understand that Facebook also doesn't work here. So, and even if you come to China, you are unable to write a message. You're unable to see posts, so you like disconnected from the world, and you need to start like live differently. For example, in Europe, all guys on Facebook or LinkedIn, they use real names, real surnames, real photos. Here in China, everybody use nicks, and even very serious people can use like, I don't know, any icon, any nick, and it's, for example, Daria can say several words how we get taxi to the hotel. First time
First time when we arrived in China, we had the English name of the hotel, and we showed it to the taxi driver, and he just started to laugh because he don't understand the Latinic letters. For him, it's like hieroglyphs. He came to another taxi driver, another one also started to laugh, and 3 or 5 taxi drivers refused to drive us because they didn't know the location.
And when we show the English map, it was very funny for them because they never seen the English map in China.
Yeah. The good thing that the numbers are the same, so they were able to call to the hotel and ask the address.
And also business is a little bit different because, for example, in Europe, when you talk to person, you can write a mail to him. Here you talk to person and he doesn't understand you because he do not speaks English. So if you hire a translator, you talk with the person, if the conversation is quite good, but when the conference finished, you write a mail to him and he answers something in Chinese. so and it's unable to communicate with them. So you only need to focus on local people who speaks English or who has like some departments who speaks English, and you need to start to work with them. Later you can build like local presence here that speaks 100% Chinese.
Yeah, there's a lot of type of domain. So there have Chinese domain this year, I see. So which type of domain is your favorite?
Site.pro.
Okay.
It perfectly describes our business.
And also we love in here in China you have a domain extension iLoveYou.
iLoveYou.
Yeah,
So I think
I don't know why.
So it's right. I think that could be also all over the world. It's like will be more fun with domain market.
Yeah.
And I think
New GTV is also a good domain name.
Thank you.
Like it's also if you need to start new domain for television and that television will be like fashionable and about new high tech, about new generation. So like new GTV is like best ever name.
Thank you. So why you always choose to join the meeting, the Cloudfest and the Namescon?
We go to Cloudfest and Namescon in other countries, in the most popular and biggest one in Europe, in Roost. Also, we always go to Las Vegas in USA, and China also became a very popular location for us to come.
So can you tell us maybe some people you met in the meeting?
Yeah, we yesterday talked with Alibaba Cloud. We also work with the international market and start going forward with domestic market. Also, we talk with Baidu, so we also meet other hosting, other like big cloud providers here. So and it's moved forward. And also that is good. There are many customers coming from Asia or ever from US. So they need some technologies in Asia, so they come to China to listen or to meet some people. Also, we meet here guys from Hong Kong, from Australia. Last time I was here, meet my customer in Australia, and we signed the contract. And I was talking with this guy in the US, in Germany, in Netherlands, and then I meet him in China and sign the contract. So it's going like that.
Okay, so what's a special memory of the meeting in favorite years?
Special memory from the 2 years ago when Philip was dancing with XYZ. And this year we came to XYZ office in Los Angeles, and they told us, we know one guy was dancing with XYZ. Years ago they showed us the video. Oh, Philip, it was you! It was very, very nice.
So world is like big, but it's small.
Yeah.
It's a small world.
Okay, maybe in the future market?
Maybe what I would like to say is that China can also be more friendly with Europe, and more Chinese brand can come to Europe. So it will be like less walls between Europe and China, because there are many European products that dream about China, and there are many like big China providers that still in China and they not interested in going outside. So I think that there should be no border there, and also if you see to macro politics. For example, Russia start like partnership with China, and if you go to Moscow, to St. Petersburg, you can see that trains, hotels also has Chinese signs, and they speak Chinese, and so it's really like Russia become really friendly with China. I think that whole Europe should be more friendly with China, and so it's like my opinion for the future.
Okay, and you?
I agree with Philip.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Take time.
Thank you.
Thank you.